surprise slime challenge.
And this is Kelly.
This is
Tressie.
and we're going to have the blindfold.
These are the glues.
One of us is going to wear the blindfold on our heads, and then we're going to pick a slime ingredient.
I think we're both starting with glue.
We're going to start with glue and then move on over here. And whatever you touch, you have to use. And you can switch it. The other two people can switch it up. Tressie's going
Another
first.
one person.
This
one
we have
person.
three
activators for our third vlog.
baking soda, 4 different kinds of glitters,
Shaving
raspberry mist shaving cream, glitter, all kinds of different colors, some foam balls, and confetti container. You want to tell them the glues?
We have blue glue, green glue, 2 pinks glue, 2 pink glue, and 2 clear glues. But with the clear glue, since they're so much bigger, we're going to use half a bottle of it.
And then we're going to use all of this.
All of these small, tiny, itty-bitty ones.
Let's get started. Hold on.
Bye.
And let's get started. So, I want to know how many fingers I am holding up.
2?
You can see.
No, I can't.
How many am I holding up now?
5.
No, go ahead. Wherever you touch, you gotta grab it. Okay, so she got Elmer's washable clear glue. I'm
I'm gonna add mine in.
I'm gonna go ahead and go.
So come close. Wait, I'm not gonna do that because that's a lot of it, and we only want half of it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm getting much better.
Do you want to mix the glue up?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is the glue over here?
I'm on. Yes.
Okay. Can I go now?
Yes.
Aw,
Haha.
it's not what I wanted, but
I haven't added the rest of mine yet, so just add.
half of it. I don't know how.
That's not half.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this.
Half is a lot. That's not even half.
Oh, this stinks.
Ew.
Trisha, you're lucky. You got the smell. Oh, I got the bad smell.
I got the sunshine. No, I didn't.
Okay, so
I'm gonna mix it even though there's nothing to mix other than glue.
she's gonna go.
Do you want to mix it up or not?
Are you gonna go for glue?
Yes. Alright guys, I'm gonna start reaching over on this side because I don't want to activate it yet. So
Gonna.
hopefully I get glitter.
Well, let's get started.
Are you mixing them up? I'm confused.
I'm gonna take the container out. Nobody needs that yet.
Yeah, no one needs a container. Our slime is just smoothie.
Okay, go. Whatever you touch, you gotta grab, okay?
No! I don't know how this reacts in slime. Only she does.
What was that? Oh, okay, it's fine.
Oh god, I don't know how much slime. I'm confused.
Pour a little bit on your spoon. Like this. And then you mix it. So now I'm gonna put the blindfold on and
Is this like activator?
yes. Do you wanna mix them
I
up?
got activator.
Basically, not really, but mix them up. Okay.
Hold on. Still mixing mine. It turned it white.
Okay. Put this back out there. Right? I mean, okay. Let's
Begin.
mix them up.
it.
Okay, I'm gonna mix everything now.
It's like in my eyes. Ow. Tears in my eyes. Ready?
No,
I don't want to stick my hand in your bowl. So can you move your bowl out the way?
no. Okay, go. You touched silver. Wait, no. That's pink. That's
Yay, pretty pink.
you.
This is beautiful.
Okay,
Let's make.
now you add that, and I'm going to take the blindfold and get it on. Hurry up and add that.
Can't open it. Can't.
Here, I'll go get some scissors.
Where are the scissors? No, Kelly, I got it.
Okay.
Glitter.
So,
Very glittery.
no, you're gonna use all of it.
Because we gotta save it for more videos.
But the glitter that you get, you have to use all of. So, unless you don't want all of it.
It's a very glittery slime.
Okay, now mix them up.
And I'm not even done with mine. Hold on, I gotta mix my slime up first. Really? No, I'm just kidding. Whee!
How about we mix these up together?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna switch it up.
Switch it up fast.
Go.
Okay.
Purple. You got purple! Oh, yay! And your Nickelodeon slime.
How do I open this? Do not use your camera. Use yours. I'll find the scissors.
I can't. Hey guys, we got the scissors. She kind of dropped her glitter and her glue. But who cares? She's gonna add the whole pack. Cool.
Okay, so take the blindfold.
Just get that out of the way.
So now I'm going to get the blindfold on, Tristan. And I'm going to mix everything up. No!
I want to have a good slime. And I don't white and pink. Good?
Okay. Get what you want.
I felt like you moved something.
I did. You landed on this color.
Hold on, I think I.
Another pink. Ah, your fault.
So she's going to add
I
that.
got another pink.
She's going to add that.
Come zoom in on my slime.
Mine's disgusting.
It's pink already.
Mine's disgusting.
Like the glitter is almost dyeing it.
You zoom in on mine? This is a zoom in on mine.
Ugh. Oh, I see the purple on your spoon. It's not cutting.
Oh, so I'm gonna get the blindfold on.
Not the whole packet.
Put me in Kelly.
Okay. I'm gonna put my goggles on. My blind.
Oh my god, it's so. I'm gonna have a glitter slime by the end of this.
We have to mix this. Okay, I got it all.
Wait. What? Can you see anything? How many fingers?
5.
Okay, we're good. Not yet.
Mix everything up. Where is my spoon?
It's in a bowl.
Oh. Not my nose.
Alright, we're good. Hold on, I wasn't ready. I forgot. Alright, go. You got green glitter. Something I wanted to get.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, with those we are adding a whole packet.
We're just adding No, that's what I did. No, you are not.
Here, you get the glitter off my hand. Alright, I'm gonna put my blindfold on. Hold on. It's not to where I can't see. It's where I could see.
When are we going to do the activator over there?
Whenever we get done.
Loneliest number is the activator.
Whenever one of us choose to go for activator. You ready?
Yep. You touched this at first.
No, I thought I touched this. 'Cause
No.
I went like this.
Retry that.
Okay.
Let me mix everything back up.
You ready?
Almost.
I want no more
Yep.
glitter.
That's my spoon. You got purple glitter.
Yay! Hey, at least it's purple. Nice try.
Number what?
Glitter, glitter. It's pink. It's blue and purple.
No, it's not. Okay, so give me the blind.
Please tell her that that is blue and purple. Hey guys, we're gonna take a little break to finish our slimes. So,
And let's get started.
yeah, so let's get started. Let's see. That's gonna make us annoying. No. No. I need more glue. I need more glue. I need more glue. I just want sugar. I need more glue. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Only because I didn't even use that one. I did. Alright guys, so this video is pretty disastrous. Her slime
Messed up.
is all baggy and not good. Like she doesn't like it because
Yeah, so
we put some detergent in it and it ruined it and made it all baggy.
they're determined. But so thanks for watching. We're gonna end the video now.
Now, goodbye.
Thanks for watching.